Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. And this is Sridhar. Hope you guys are doing good. And this is a small intro for Evocrux. Evocrux is an AI company. You may all know that. And we providing a 12 different kind of services, AI services. And initially we started with basic web and applications development. And it's going too well. And it's nearly, I think, 4 to 5 months we started in a company. And then actually, we decided in the beginning itself, but now we are completely getting into the a core part of this business. The one of the core part of this business is to build these businesses to solving a real time problems across multiple industries. And we research nearly 2 to 3 months where AI going to play a major role present and upcoming days and going to impact in the future itself. And we come up with the two different industries. The first one is healthcare, and second one is logistics and supply chain management. And healthcare going to completely handled by Santosh, a co-founder of this company, and logistics going to completely handled by me. Why? Because personally, why? Because I going to choose supply chain management and logistics because since I worked as a in a IT department as a system engineer in Flipkart, one of the branch in Malur BTS FC, and seen a lot of huge gap and a lot of the real time problems we can fix using RPA and IoT and AI infrastructures. That's why I personally choose that department, and it's a huge industry at the same time. And we are going to give us services like in a medical department, we are going to give a different kind of custom solutions, AI custom solution. At the same time, we are mainly focusing on a medical image analysis, where it going to majorly play a role in uh, radiologist in a labs. And second one is predictive diagnosis, and third one is IoT in healthcare. At the same time, in logistics, RPA, robotic process automations, and IoT and AI infrastructures for warehouses, because logistics completely depends on warehouse itself. That's why we are going to fix some real-time problems in warehouses. And you're in logistics and supply chain management. If you're facing any kind of real problems that you thought that you can fix using IT or else tech, and we are getting, and it's an and custom IT solutions company. See you in the next video with a complete dive in a particular niches, particular services we're going to provide. And see you guys. And you can get our complete details in the screen now and contact to fix our problems using AI and IT solutions. Cheers. See you in the next video or else in the next client meeting. See you guys. Take care.